How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can double click with SteelSeries mice or mouses. Basically, we can do this with the macro features on our SteelSeries mice. First things first, head over to their official website, and then you can just grab the GG engine for SteelSeries. This will enable us to configure some crucial settings in our mouse in order to do this. And basically right after, it will then look something like this after opening up your program. Now inside this page, you just want to navigate through the bottom one. As you can see, the bottom one is going to be our left click right here. So we want to modify the bottom one. This window will show up, on which you want to stay at bottom one, but at the bottom you can just select the play and times option. You just want to put something like 2 right here, so when we actually press button 1, it will then play in times according to our value, which is going to be 2 times. So from there, you have successfully set your mouse to double click with the SteelSeries microphones or mices. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.